Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a drop-down menu in Adobe XD. First, let's begin by setting up the initial closed state of your menu. You'll want to design the main button that users will click to open the drop-down. Use the rectangle tool to draw this button, then add your desired text, like select an option, ensuring it's clearly visible and centered for good user experience. Next, we'll design the open state of your drop-down. Duplicate your initial artboard to maintain consistency. Now, extend the height of your button to create space for all the menu options. Carefully add each menu item as a separate text layer within this expanded area, ensuring proper spacing and alignment for readability. This step is crucial for a clear user interface. Now, let's bring our drop-down to life with prototyping. Switch to prototype mode in Adobe XD. Drag a connection wire from your closed state button to the open state artboard. For the interaction, set the trigger to tap and choose Auto Animate as the action. This will create a smooth, natural transition when a user clicks the button, making the menu feel responsive and intuitive. Finally, we'll add interactions for each menu item. From the open state, drag a wire from each individual menu option back to either the closed state or a new artboard representing the selected choice. Again, use tap as the trigger and auto-animate for a seamless visual effect. This ensures that selecting an option closes the menu or navigates to the next relevant screen, completing the user flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.